it was crazy because I flew to Bakersfield. I called KDaddy. I'm out of the plane. And by the time when I called him, he goes, oh yeah, I saw the plane fly over my shop. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Oh my God.
I didn't even get to the front door and he's already pulling up. So he is literally right around the corner. And then, no, it was good. And then I spent it at his shop. His shop is completely remodeled. Remember all that like he didn't have pavement. It was like compressed dirt or like sand or whatever, gravel. It's all concrete. Yeah. The whole shop is concrete. He put a lowrider. He put that car that he had on the roof.
The Delta.
Was it a Delta? The molded. Yeah.
Pretty sure. Yeah.
Custom painted the whole half of the whole side.
That's cool.
Put wire wheels on it. He's gonna put lights. That container, that trailer he had, he dropped it down. No, the place is completely different. And his little office area is all cleaned up.
That's awesome.
I think he had like 30, 40 years worth of just stuff.
Yeah, I saw it. It was cool though to see it like that.
It was cool, but I gotta send him a shipment label for him to ship a bunch of vintage stuff for my collection. But honestly, it was actually really dope. And then got to hang out at his house. That his house is a museum.
It is.
If you guys haven't seen, well, we're gonna do in April. I'm gonna go back to interview him. Mm-hmm. Are you? Oh, you said you won't go to April, right?
I don't think so.
Ah, bro. I wish you would go. So in April,
we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna go back to K-Daddy's house, and I'm gonna do an interview, like MTV.
I should go to experience the food.
What? The steak?
Yeah.
Yo, the steak was no lie. The steak was. Give me that pint can, bro. The steak was like this thick, bro. This thick. And I don't eat big steaks, so it was like a thick steak, and it was like that. And I was already nervous. It was the softest piece of steak I've ever had.
Yeah, so.
What was it? What was that cut that I told you? It's
filet.
Is it a filet or filet? Yeah, filet. How do you pronounce it?
The young lady wants a filet mignon. Little hunk of meat, little pink on the inside.
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon.
Yeah, we were close enough. They understood.
But his wife Stacy's phenomenal cook, and they gave me a cake for my birthday, so that was pretty dope.
Yo, how old did you turn?
41, bro.
Jesus Christ, 41.
Can't believe we've been doing this for so long.
Wow.
But no, it was dope.
Are you an AARP member already?
No, not yet. And then we went to the Grand National, and the show was dope.
I followed online.
Really?
Yeah.
You were
There's some cool stuff there.
Bro, there was some great cars. I mean, day one was tough. You know why? K-Daddy knows everybody, bro.
Oh, okay.
So he will get stopped. You thought I talked a lot? This guy.
Well, because he gets stopped by everybody.
But he enjoys it. He talks. He's like a very people person. The guy's like a jolly Santa Claus of the custom world.
Okay, if you want to call him that, I guess.
No, it's true though.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, it's true. He has the whole. What do you want me to call him? Hey, who's?
You could have just said nice guy that talks to people.
No, well, who's the guy from Dragon Ball?
Oh yeah. I don't know his name, but yeah.
Banjo, you don't know the guy's name? No, dude.
You can Google it or look it up and see real quick.
Put Dragon Ball guy?
No, put like Dragon Ball Z old man or something.
Dragon Ball Z old man. Right here, yeah. Master Roshi. It looks just like him. With the glasses.
It does. That's funny.
Banjo.
It really
Banjo,
does look
tell me that doesn't look like him, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my God.
That's funny.
Look. He just needs a Crown Royale.
That is funny.
And a cigar.
It really does look like him. That could be his animated.
Oh my God.
What do they call those animations that you do of yourself on like Instagram or whatever?
What when you turn yourself into a cartoon?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's.
Oh
yeah.
Avatar. That should be.
That's funny.
But everybody who stops to talk to him.